We're going to be talking about describing people and their appearances and opinions of people and their characteristics. So, firstly, physical appearance. Physical appearance is the way your body looks. So, we have on the left a body shape that is overweight, fat, large, heavy, big, broad, obese, curvy. And on the right, slim, skinny, thin, slight, petite, underweight, lean, and trim. Now, body type. Now this is muscle or no muscle. So on the left, strong, muscular, fit, bulky, well built and big. Or on the right, tall and thin, lanky, long, gangly and scrawny. Height. So on the left, small, petite, little, short, tiny, and on the right, tall, big, great, giant, and lanky. Now facial appearances. This is the way your face looks. So, the good ones are attractive, beautiful, gorgeous, handsome. Handsome is for a boy. Pretty, good looking, or stunning. And the bad ones, ugly, plain, unattractive, bad looking, tired, and exhausted. Next, here are some vital features that you might see. So, on the top left, we have a man with a beard. This can be called a bearded face. Next, there is a woman with freckles. This can be called a freckled face, and she has freckles. Next, you have two skin colours, pale and tanned. Pale is without sun, and tanned is with sun. Then, on the right, you have a boy with spots. They are spotty, or they have acne, pimples, or bad skin. Next, you have a woman with moles. Moles, and you can say they are moly. And next, the way someone dresses. Now, you can have dresses that, a type of dress that is appropriate for work, or a dress that is appropriate for every day. So on the left, things that are appropriate for work are called smart, presentable, well kept, well dressed, professional. And now a person can also be fashionable, cool, and stylish. And then on the right, you have someone who dresses unprofessionally, scruffy, unpresentable, badly dressed, or dishevelled. Great. Next, hair. So there are three main types of hair colour: brunette, blonde, and ginger. But also, there can be someone who has ginger or red hair that can be called a redhead. A redhead. Next, there are different types of hair style. So there's straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, and braided hair. There's also dreadlocks and an afro. Next, personality characteristics. Here are some good and bad personality characteristics. These are just examples. There are loads more. So funny, nice, kind, loyal, sweet, loving, forgiving, charming. And some bad ones: selfish, mean, rude, bossy, disloyal, annoying, loud, or proud. Okay, so let's describe some people. The woman on the left first. This woman is tall and slim. She has long brown hair and pale skin. She looks cool, but unprofessional. She is kind and loving, but shy. Next, this man is the tallest. He is skinny and looks very smart. He has tanned skin and short black hair. He is bossy and mean. This woman is short and fat. She has short, curly brown hair and pale skin. She isn't fashionable, but presentable. She is pretty. She is caring and funny. Finally, this man is the shortest. He is slim and has short brown hair. He is dressed professionally. He is wearing glasses. He is loyal and funny, but can be selfish. Great, here are just some examples. Now you try.